Going over the trades on the day, down 2,900 hypothetically, down 3,200 in real trading on the 200K. The micros did a little better. There were some differences in the signals for the micros, and so they did a little better today. Sometimes the micros do better than the S&P. So the hypotheticals were minus 870. The stock index portfolio 18 minus 1185 was the hypothetical. The Blitz 10 minus 1715. And so here is the portfolio calculator through last Friday. We are about $6,000 from worst case drawdown. And in live trading, we came in today only about 8,000 because we were trading the stock index portfolio 18. We add the Blitz, and we're in on this, capturing this move off the drawdown. And so it's down another few thousand today. And so let's look at the market, though. Let's look at the trading system signals and look at the market to see what happened today. Really highly unusual price action. It's as if the market knows it's going to go up, but it just doesn't want to. It's waiting for. It's like it's waiting for something. It's unusual. This is 4 VIX divergences in a row in the Nasdaq, where the Nasdaq has 4 down closes right here, right here, right here, right here. The closes on the day session for the Nasdaq futures 4 times in a row. 4 times in a row, the VIX has closed down. It's at the lows since, I guess, let's see, when is this? August. So it's lowest lows in several months, about 3 months. And it's we have another VIX signal based on 4 days in a row. I've showed you over the weekend. I showed you the results. I sent an email out about 3 days in a row or 2 days in a row. But when you look at this 4 days in a row, it happens 5 times on the Nasdaq going back to 2003, and previously it has not happened since 2010. And so you see it happening right here. It's just highly unusual to see this much VIX divergence, this much the market, for the VIX to drop like this and the market to just kind of keep pulling back real slowly and not moving higher is unusual. And so still anticipate a big move before Thanksgiving or after Thanksgiving. And one way or the other, I anticipate the market to move. We have this big move here and then consolidation above at the upper end of that range. And so with this VIX divergence, I would anticipate another leg higher as we go into Thanksgiving. And so I thought it might happen today. We have 2 trading days left this week. Thursday we don't trade. The futures are open till noon, and then on Friday the futures are open till noon as well. Stock market is closes early, and we don't trade on those days. If I test this on the S&P, there's only one time this happens, and on the S&P, 3 out of the last 4 days have closed down. Friday there was an up close, but the VIX has still closed down 4 days in a row, while the S&P has closed down 3 out of 4 times. And so there is no other signal. This has only happened once on the S&P back in 2008, where there is a 4-day VIX divergence. So really highly unusual, and could be pointing towards some bigger move for there to be that much divergence, such a rare divergence. And so when it's rare, the sample size is small, but the fact that the principle of it diverging so much is still stands. So let's look at the trades on the day. The S&P in the stock index portfolio 18 had the S&P strategies were 0 for 5 today, 0 for 3, and we had Cobra CT3 trying to buy the dip, Tick Fader trying to buy the dip. You see it just kind of running those stops. Tick count trend trying to buy the dip. The market pulling back, and won't go higher when everything indicates that it probably will end up going higher in the next few days. Nasdaq strategies on the stock index portfolio 18 were up a little bit. Tick reversal plus 340, Viper plus 150, and then E-mini Blitz. We had gap continuation 2019 minus $5, just no fall through the downside. Zigzag was the big winner on the day. Went short, went long, went short, plus 1690. VTNQ minus 200. And then adaptive moving average was the big loser on the day. Both versions were struggled, minus 1575 and minus 1625 on the day. So 3 days in a row, this one is lost. 2 days in a row, this one is lost. And so we were glad to have adaptive moving average back and anticipate the cycle to move in our favor once again. One more day of sideways price action in a market that really seems like it's about to have another strong leg higher. So looking forward to tomorrow's trade. I'm looking forward to Tuesday and Wednesday. Concept to turnaround Tuesday. The market didn't really sell off that much though. And so we have those turnaround Tuesdays where the market sells off on Monday and the market reverses on Tuesday. Just such a small sell-off today. It could be seen as propping as well. Market could gap down or sell off at night, but we'll see. Kind of what happened last Thursday is you had this propping and then the market sold off and then it filled that gap. And so will be interesting to see how the market resolves itself with all these VIX divergences. Those are the trades on the day, once again, for Monday, November 21st, 2022. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.